Hello friends. Many times when we listen about efficient and automated file management, it comes to our mind like what is it actually? An efficient and automated file management system is one that involves doing individual and bulk operations using automation and logging. It includes more than 95% uses of command prompt and scripting language only, and almost nil uses of GUI, unlike traditional file management. In coming slides, we will see what are the benefits of efficient and automated file management system and why should we add this skill to our skill suite. File management is part of our day-to-day IT operations, and if we learn the skill of automated file management, then we can do our IT operations very efficiently and we can accomplish our IT operations without errors up to a great extent. And the most important benefit that I see personally is that we have to learn this skill once, but we can use it everywhere throughout our career. One of the most popular area for IT admins where they spend a big portion of their time is file and folder management. Learning the skill of efficient and automated file management, they can save a lot of time, and this saved time can be used in some value additions. This value addition may be at personal level or maybe at organizational level. We need to learn this skill to do our job work quickly, easily, and enjoyably. As we all know that repetitive tasks become boring most of the time. Let me give you a very simple and classic example about how automatic file management makes our job work enjoyable. Suppose as an IT admin, we take a daily backup and save it in a file. Then next day again, we take a backup, but before that, we manually rename and move old backup files to maintain backup versioning. Chances are very much that one may not find this manual work for more than 30 minutes. But one thing that we have to agree with is doing this manual job on daily basis can make it a boring and human error prone task. Using efficient and automated file management, we can make this task enjoyable. By investing one-time efforts in scripting, we can avoid manual efforts that we used to put on daily basis before and convert this error prone task into an error proof task. Sometimes people may say that many times they get things on internet what they need. I am also agree with this, but challenge is when we don't get things exactly as per our requirement. As we can see in example, we have a requirement that includes point R1 and R2, but solutions that we get on public network includes either point 1 only or it includes point 1, 2 and 3. So now challenge is that we are not getting solutions exactly as per our requirement. Here we need to customize these solutions as per our requirement. For this customization, we must learn this skill. Last but not the least, we will be using PowerShell in this entire course as an automation platform. PowerShell is globally accepted open source command and scripting tool. The best benefit here is we will be learning efficient file management, and more than that, we will be learning the PowerShell. We can use PowerShell to manage almost all leading platforms like all Microsoft products, Citrix, VMware, all leading public clouds like Azure, AWS, Google, and many more platforms. Here, we have option to learn either each platform's command center individually, or we can learn a common tool as PowerShell and apply it to all the platforms because they all support management with PowerShell. It's a kind of learn one skill and apply it everywhere and throughout your career.